Adil has always been a storm, but in a latest update of the Teska Burdanis, the storm changed direction. Before, the true Adil was a man fighting the past without fully understanding it. He knew a pain, battle, and longing too. He did not knowing the complete shape of his own wounded. They came, he returned to truth, Ilni, his daughter. This changes everything about his character. Adil is no longer just a lover wanted by Ismi. He is no longer just a woman to man catch in a family vet. Now he is a father who has lost 2 years he can never get back. That is the most painful part. He did not only lose to Ismi, he lost time. He lost to the first smile and first word, the child movement, the right protect his daughter from the beginning. And now when he finally know to Ilni is danger. This is why to Adil next move will be important. A normal man to might to be under the truth, but Adil is not too normal. His pain usual turn into the action. The problem is action without control can destroy everything. Ismi becomes the center of his anger because she carried the secret. But can Adil truly hate the woman gave him Ilni? Can punish Ismi while she is moving to a mother of his child? This is emotional trap of story. Adil want to just, but his heart want to family. He want to answer, but there is no answer strong to enough to return to lost years. In episode 29, we may see a different Adil, less to explosive and more calculated and more dangerous. Not because she went to revenge, only because the first time she has something bigger to protect his daughter.